Welcome back to Canadian Crypto News. Here are your top 3 stories for March 18th, 2026.
Asset markets are volatile. Do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before participating. Links to all sources used today are available in the description. Bitcoin ETF streak versus October run asterisk source coin telegraph plus decrypt Canadian angle e-exchange access structure source Trun Y Canada Read It Coin Telegraph is reporting that US spot Bitcoin ETFs have now pulled in $1.2 billion American dollars over 7 consecutive days, but that streak is nowhere near October 2025's 9-day run that brought in $6 billion. Decrypt adds that ahead of today's FOMC decision, analysts are calling these inflows episodic, meaning they come in bursts, not as sustained institutional commitment. Want a links in the description. Bitcoin itself fell below 71,000 American dollars, roughly 97,900 Canadian dollars. In the last 24 hours, down 3.7%. The inflow streak and the price dip are running in opposite directions right now. For Canadians, here's the exchange access angle. Canada was first in the world to approve crypto ETFs back in 2021, BTCC on Purpose Investments, BTCX through CI Galaxy, ETHP. Those products are available directly on the TSX through any Canadian brokerage. When US ETF inflows are described as episodic, that pattern tends to show up in Canadian ETF volume too. If you hold BT, Fed holds rates, Bank of Canada holds rates, source, Globe and Mail plus BNN, Bloomberg, Canadian Angle, Sovereignty, structure, source to what? Why Canada? Read it. The Globe and Mail and BNN Bloomberg are both reporting that the U.S. Federal Reserve held interest rates unchanged today, and the Bank of Canada has done the same, with oil-driven inflation cited as a risk factor, keeping both central banks on hold. Ratted and Thol, 2 sources corroborating the same decision. Ratted and Thol, links in the description. This is the macro backdrop behind everything else in today's brief. The FOMC hold was expected, but the inflation language matters. For Canadian holders, this is a currency story. When both central banks hold simultaneously, the Canadian dollar's American dollar's rate tends to stabilize in the short term. But the Bank of Canada has been under more pressure than the Fed this cycle. Bitcoin hash rate tumbles as Iran war lifts energy prices. Source CoinDesk Canadian Angle iIndustry structure source Domsuf Mo I Canada. Read it. CoinDesk is reporting that Bitcoin's global hash rate is falling as the ongoing Iran conflict pushes energy prices higher, squeezing mining operations that depend on cheap power. Bitcoin's global hash rate is falling as the ongoing Iran conflict pushes energy prices higher. Canada is a top 5 Bitcoin mining jurisdiction globally. Quebec Hydro, Alberta Natural Gas, and BC Power give Canadian miners a structural cost advantage that becomes more valuable exactly when global energy prices spike. Bitcoin's global hash rate is falling as the ongoing Iran conflict Munchi prices spike. Bitcoin's global energy prices spike when hash rate drops because energy costs rise elsewhere. The miners who survive and gain share are the ones with locked-in cheap power contracts. BitQ du Regio Aspincuff operations like Hut 8 running on Alberta Power and Quebec-based miners on some of the cheapest hydro rates in the world are positioned to pick up hash rate share as less efficient global operations go offline. We've seen this dynamic before. Every time global energy costs spike, Canada's mining footprint grows relative to the rest of the world. If you do read, this is worth watching. Read the full CoinDesk piece. The link in the description. 3 stories, 1 through line. Macro pressure is real. Rates on hold. Energy costs rising. Price pulling back. But the structural case for Canadian holders isn't breaking. ETF inflows are still positive. Taiwan ETF inflows are billion Taiwan hold. ETF inflows are still positive. Taiwan ETF inflows are billion Taiwan hold. ETF inflows are still positive. Taiwan ETF inflows are billion Taiwan hold. And Canadian ETF wrappers are still the cleanest regulated access point on the TSX. What to watch tomorrow? FOMC statement language on inflation and whether ETF inflows hold through end of week. All 3 articles.
That's your Canadian crypto news rundown. Do me a solid, like, follow, or subscribe. Visit CanadianCryptoNews.ca for links and analysis. Stay sharp.